just yesterday, you know, former Congressman Mike Defensor was so defiant and said, isunod nyo na si Martin Romualdez. And their demeanor, even Senator Marcoleta, didn't seem at all like, you know, they were worried about the cases they were facing. Where is that attitude of defiance coming from?
Well, partly dahil suportado sila ng isang powerful religious group na sinubukang mag-mobilize ng malaki but failed in doing so. No? Partly dahil yung kanilang kandidato, yung kanilang leader ay nangunguna pa rin sa survey, including some of their friends na senador. No? Siguro upbeat sila. No? At ikatlo ay bagamat tumaas ng 8 percentage points yung gobyerno, negative pa rin yung kanilang approval rating. So perhaps yung mga variables na yan ang nagpapataas ng kanilang confidence. Pero whatever happens, I doubt kung makakalaya sila in the next 2 years.
So they're banking on a VP Sara victory in the 2028 election.
Yes, dahil ang tingin nila ay katulad na nangyari in the past. Yung mga nakulong nung panahon ni Pinoy ay napalaya nung panahon ni Digong. No? Kaya siguro umaasa sila. But then again, 2 years in prison is still 2 years in prison.
And, well, yeah. And we remember GMA pardoning former President Estrada.
Yes. And GMA din, nakalaya din. Nakulong siya ng panahon ni Pinoy, nakalaya siya
So
ng panahon
parang
ni Digong.
weather lang.
Ganun ang tingin nila.
Ang tingin nila.